In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a ChatGPT conversation. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF copy of any chat you need to save or share. First, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT. You can also type the address directly into the address bar if you know it, but searching is perfectly fine. The key is to make sure you're heading to the official site. Next, click the correct result. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and confirm the domain is spelled correctly. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures your account stays secure. Now, sign in. Use the login method you normally use and make sure you're accessing the same account where the conversation you want to download is stored. If you have multiple profiles in your browser, double-check you're in the right one. Once you're in, open the specific conversation you want to save on chatgpt.com. Use the sidebar to find the thread. Give the page a second to load the full history, especially if it's a long chat. If any messages are collapsed, expand them so everything you care about appears on the page before you save. With the conversation open, click the browser's ellipsis menu. In Chrome or Edge, that's the three dots in the top right corner. If you're using a different browser, you can also open the File menu. A quick shortcut is Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac, which jumps straight to printing. Choose Print. You'll see a print preview with options on the side. Wait a moment for the page to finish rendering in the preview so you can spot any cut-off sections. If the chat is very long, you might need to adjust scale or margins so it fits the way you want. In the Destination dropdown, select Save as PDF. On some systems, this may be labeled Microsoft Print to PDF, or you might see a PDF button in the corner that offers Save as PDF. While you're here, consider setting Layout to Portrait, checking background graphics if you want code blocks and colored elements to look accurate, and choosing all pages to capture the entire conversation. Finally, click Save and choose where you want the file to live. Give the PDF a clear name, such as the topic of the conversation and today's date, and pick a folder you'll remember. Save it, and then open the file to quickly verify everything looks right. That's it. You've downloaded your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, ready to archive, share, or reference anytime.